As we all know, Facebook is the most used form of social media. So today I want to walk you through the process of boosting a post, which is paying for an ad. First, we'll select the post we want to boost. Now, if you see, each post on our business page has a boost post button. But let me find the graphic that I'm looking for. All right, here it is. For this example, I want to boost a few graphics I created explaining a few tips for preparing to buy a house. We translated this post in both English and Spanish, so I think it will be great to market this one. We'll just hit Boost Post to go ahead and get started. All right, now we are in the Create Ad page, and it looks like there's even a little special going on today. Get $20 when you spend $20. So you'll get $20 ad credit for the next $20 you spend on ads. So let's go ahead and cash that in. So what are our goals from this ad? Do we want to get more engagement or get more messages? Now I have to be honest, we don't check our Facebook messages very often. So I want to go ahead and get more engagement. I want people who are likely to react, comment, and share. I want them to read this post, learn the tips for preparing to buy a home, and then want to call us. Our information's on every image. And then let's see, what is this button label? Oh, if we wanted to add a send message button. Now, like I said, we're not going to do this for this one, but if you are someone who checks your Facebook messages often, this might be a very good choice for you. I just want to show you here in the ad preview as soon as it finishes loading. All right, see here? It would have the button ready for send message. So people would see this ad and they could easily hit the send message button right there. But I'm going to go back to no button just because that's what works for us. Now, special ad category. This is very important. Because this is a real estate ad, we have to select this option or Facebook will not approve your ad. So go ahead and select that. Then we have to choose which category. Because this is a housing ad, it deals with real estate listings. We've got to check that one. And now we choose our audience. Who should see your ad? Since Facebook is abiding by the equal housing opportunity, your audience details will be very limited, which is okay because it's basically going to reach everyone in this age group, 18 to 65. No exclusions. If we were marketing maybe t-shirts or something, we'd be able to specify our audience's hobbies, but for real estate, we just select the location and Facebook will do the advertising accordingly. So let's see. Gender, all, because we have to be in compliance with the special ad category. The age has to be in compliance with the special ad category, but this is where we would type our location. So I chose Richardson plus 15 miles. You can choose Carrollton, Denton, Dallas, Forney, whatever works best for you. And then that's really all we can do because of the special ad category. So there's our audience details. Now we go into the duration of our ad. How long do we want this to last? I'm going to say a good week. Now our total budget. I do want to move this up to $20 so that we can get that special. And then placements. We want this on Facebook and Instagram. Like I said, not Messenger just because we don't check it very often. I'm going to be honest, I have no idea what Facebook Pixel is, so I'm not even going to mess with that. And then our payment method is here. We've done a few of these, so our payment method is saved. I just want to double check, make sure I like what I see in our ad preview. The worst thing would be to have a huge typo right here. So this looks good. We can see all previews here. So once it finishes loading, this is what it would look like in a desktop news feed, people that are using it on their computer. Mobile news feed, people that are viewing it in their, scrolling through their phone on Facebook. Instant articles, suggested videos. This is what it would look like. Let's see what it would look like on Instagram. You would have all 4 photos there. So I like that. Then we would go ahead and just boost post now.